Okay, so if you want to look at the equation of the circle, just that you understand why it's negative and negative, okay? So remember, when you know I've got a circle with a radius r, okay, and I want the equation of the circle, you can say it's the same as if I draw a line here and a line there. It's the same as using Pythagoras. Say there's a 90-degree angle, okay? What's the distance from there to there? The y value is 7, the y value 3. So it's going to be 7 minus 3 squared using Pythagoras. So this is 4 units. 7 minus 3 is 4 units, okay? Plus the x value here minus the x value there. So the x value here is 5, the x value there is 2. So it's plus 5 minus 2 squared. Okay, so think of Pythagoras, the distance, the one short distance here squared plus the other short distance, the two short sides squared is equal to the long side squared. So that will be equal to r squared. That's where the formula comes from for the circle. I'm taking the circumference, any point in the circumference, take the x and y value minus the center. Circumference minus center. Circumference minus center. So by just looking at this, it's 4 squared plus 3 squared is 16 plus 9 equal to r squared, which means it's 25. So therefore we can say 25 is equal to r squared. So now I can say my equation is x minus 3 squared plus y minus the y value there, 2. Sorry, it's going to be 2 there, sorry. X minus 2 squared plus y minus 3 squared equal to 25. So there's the equation. X minus the center for x squared plus y minus the center for y squared is equal to the radius squared. Okay, that's just Pythagoras. And that is the circle's formula. Okay, so the center is 2 and 3. But we write negative 2 and negative 3 because we had to subtract it to find the distances.